In a quiet forest, Asha protects her newborn chicks beneath gentle morning light. Suddenly, roaring jets tear across the sky, bringing distant war into innocence. A falling bomb descends toward the forest as Asha shields her fragile babies. Flames erupt through the trees, and the peaceful forest is swallowed by fire. Through smoke and flames, Asha spreads her wings, choosing sacrifice over survival. Silence follows as the once living forest turns into ash and sorrow. Returning home, Veer carries hope, only to find devastation waiting below. Beside the burned nest, Veer cries for the family he cannot save. Looking to the heavens, Veer asks why innocent lives suffer in human wars.
Why this destruction?
Then,
what sin have we committed? Is there no justice in the heavens?
God stands before the grieving bird. Moved by sorrow, divine light restores the forest and heals what war destroyed. Life returns, and in the reborn forest, love rises strong.